Hey friends, Jessica Brigham here. What does it take to turn a creepy AF basement into a livable lounge you'll never want to leave? A little bit of planning, lots of paint, character-rich furnishings, and a can-do attitude will do the trick. After cleaning up and preparing the foundation of this 1934 Craftsman bungalow, a steady mix of luxurious furnishings from Joybird alongside top-notch thrifts adds a striking layer of personality, creating a chic yet comfortable lounge inspired by my husband and I's favorite city cigar bar. It's the kind of spot where you can choose to unwind or host a gathering with a speakeasy vibe. The leather Chesterfield style sofa is lavish to look at, outrageously comfortable to curl up on, and pairs up real nice with a durable yet sleek concrete coffee table by its side. Unassumingly by design, the lounge doubles as a TV room. The oversized swivel chairs assert big comfort as well as boob tube viewing ease. See in that tube. The flat screen is fastened to a custom-made TV mount designed and built by yours truly. Not to mention, the oversized black and white Prohibition tapestry doubles as a fabulous focal point, as well as a partition from the other half of this New Englandy basement, which will one day be brought up to speed. One day. Maybe next year. This wasn't a renovation, it was a restoration, and it goes to show what a few clever home hacks, the right furnishings, and a bit of gusto can do for you. Are you inspired to take on your dark, dingy, and dirty basement? Make sure to tag me on your progress. I cannot wait to see what you do. You know, little stogie.